Everyone has broken cables, loose wires, and small devices that stop working. This automatic soldering gun is the simplest tool to fix all of them. Load a roll of solder wire once, plug in the tool, and the wire feeds automatically while you work. No more struggling with both hands. One hand is enough. It heats up fast, gives clean and strong joints, and works perfectly for home electronics, small appliances, car wiring, and DIY tasks. It's designed for beginners and professionals. Anyone who wants fast, clean, and simple repairs without complicated equipment. Right now, the price is reduced and delivery is fast across Tanzania. If you see this video, consider yourself lucky. Stock doesn't last long. Get yours today and make repairs easier than ever.